Hi friends, so I came with two biggest hiring from two various company, that is from American Chase and the Tata Motors. So if you are the freshers looking for some important job opportunity and as well as internship, then this video is for you. And I will suggest friend, don't miss this important drive. Okay, must apply for this. So first important opportunity, that is from the Tata Motors. They are hiring for the role of graduate apprentice trainee, and the job location will be the Pune, Maharashtra. Freshers are eligible for this. The job description you can go through it. The role is graduate apprentice trainee, and course of license mechanical, automobile, electrical, electronics, communicational, electrical, and civil, and all branches are eligible. Remember, I will provide for both mechanical as well as for CSIT job too. Okay, so just wait for the important next update. Okay, so first is the who are eligible to 2024, 2025, 2026. Only freshers are eligible. Means if you have experience, then you are not eligible. But if you are the freshers, then you are eligible for this wonderful opportunity. Don't miss this. You should not have any backlog, and maximum 2 year of educational gap is law. Maximum you can say monthly stipend you will be getting 25,000. So this is a wonderful opportunity. Don't miss this. These will be your roles and responsibilities. So this is a, once you will build on technical knowledge on academia through exposure to industrial work, develop and understand the implementation skills of problem solving, exposure to cross-functional working. So this is a wonderful opportunity. Must apply for this. Next important opportunity, that is the biggest hiring from the American Chase. They are hiring for the role of associate system engineer, and the freshers are eligible for this important opportunity. So 2024, 2025, 2026 pass out must apply for this wonderful opportunity, and share this video among your friends. Okay, don't miss this opportunity. And the selection process, there will be multi-level interview process will be there, and job location will be Indore. So if you want, you can apply for this. The perks and benefits, you'll be getting lots of perks and benefit. So this is one the wonderful company American Chase, and I regularly post lots of important update related to this company. So finally, this is one the good hiring from the basically Unstop platform. Next, this is, you can say, this is the two different locations. This is for Indore, and they are hiring for the role of associate system engineer, and this is for the different profile role, that is the software engineer or SE1. Job location is Maharashtra. So make sure to apply with at least one drive. Okay, so for this you should be having experience. Means for this 2024 can only apply because they are requiring the experience, but this freshers can apply for this wonderful opportunity. Okay, so next important opportunity, that is for the summer 2027 intern software engineer role from the Salesforce, and this is also a biggest hiring. So still hiring is going on. Earlier I have provided updates, so those who are graduating in 2028 can apply for that. You can share the video among your friends who are eagerly waiting for job updates. Okay, and make sure to subscribe us so that you will not miss any job updates. Okay, recently TCS have announced the result, and many of the candidates are getting the result. So first of all, congratulations to all of them. And if you want to schedule your mock interview, then you can fill the form link in the description. Next important opportunity, that is from the Sigma AI Varsity. They are hiring for the role of software engineer associate, and this is also a wonderful opportunity. So these were roles and responsibilities. So if you are from the BE, BTech, BCA, MCA, MBA, must apply for this. The requirement is you should be having full stack knowledge or data or cloud or cyber security, and must have knowledge of Power BI or familiarity with this technology. So if you want, you can apply for that. Job location will be Bangalore, and you have to work 5 days in office, and this is a full-time role. Next important opportunity, that is from the Immersion. They are hiring for the role of application engineer 1, and job location is Chennai, Tamil Nadu. So these were roles and responsibility. You can go through it. The requirements is you should be having from degree in mechanical, instrumentation, chemical, metallurgical engineering. So if you know any friends, then share this video among them, because they are limited hiring for the core branches. So you can apply for this. So these were some important job updates. For getting such important opportunity, make sure to subscribe us, and friends, keep basically applying for off-camera drive. Also keep learning, especially soon Cognizant hiring will be announced, so I will provide all those updates there. So for that you have to be prepared enough. Okay, those who have NQT, means those who missed the NQT, or those who haven't selected, no need to worry. There will be lots of hiring for 2027. Like Infosys gonna hire 20,000 candidates, and Cognizant also. So there will be lots of hiring, but you should be prepared. If you will not prepare, then you will not get the job. Okay, so कोई भी query feel free to ask here. We can connect on LinkedIn, or you can ask any query at Insta, Facebook, WhatsApp, or whatever platform you are compatible with. मिलते हैं next video में. Thank you.